Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best miter saws. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Are your cuts not coming out straight? Do you waste wood because your saw slips, shakes, or just isn't precise enough? If you're working on furniture, framing, or DIY projects, even a small mistake can ruin the whole job. That's where a reliable miter saw becomes a game changer. Meet the Metabo HPTC 8FSS 8.5-inch miter saw, a compact yet powerful tool built for clean, accurate cutting. This saw comes with an 8.5-inch high-speed steel blade, designed for smooth wood cutting. Its linear ball bearing slide system gives you extremely precise and controlled movement, making long cuts much more stable. You also get a corded electric power source, meaning consistent power without worrying about battery life. The compact design makes it easier to carry and use in tight job sites or small workshops. It's mainly optimized for wood cutting, perfect for framing, molding, and general carpentry work. Pros: very accurate cutting system, smooth sliding mechanism, lightweight and easy to handle, reliable corded power. Cons: not ideal for heavy industrial metal cutting. Blade size is smaller compared to larger professional saws. This saw is perfect for DIY users, carpenters, and home workshop builders. If you need precision for furniture, trims, or small construction projects, this is a solid choice. At around $369.99, it offers strong value for a precision-focused miter saw in this category, especially for users who care about accuracy over heavy-duty industrial use. Number 4. Meet the DeWalt DWS713 10-inch single bevel compound miter saw, a powerful and affordable corded saw built for accurate wood cutting. This saw is powered by a 15-amp motor, giving you strong and consistent cutting performance for tough woodworking tasks. It features a 10-inch stainless steel blade, designed for smooth and clean cuts through wood materials. The single bevel compound design allows you to make angled cuts easily, which is perfect for framing, molding, and trim work. You also get precise miter adjustments, helping you achieve accurate angles for professional-looking results. Its corded electric power system ensures continuous performance without battery interruptions, making it reliable for long job sessions. Pros: strong 15-amp motor for reliable cutting power, accurate and smooth miter adjustments, durable build quality from DeWalt. Great value for its price range. Cons: single bevel only, not dual bevel flexibility. Slightly basic compared to premium professional models. No advanced sliding system for extended cuts. This saw is ideal for DIY users, homeowners, and entry-level carpenters. If you mainly work on wood framing, trim, furniture, or home renovation projects, this is a solid and budget-friendly choice. At around $249, the DeWalt DWS713 offers excellent value, delivering trusted performance at an entry-level price point for a 10-inch compound miter saw. Number 3. Meet the SKIL MS6305-00 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw, a budget-friendly yet powerful saw designed for smooth, accurate wood cutting with pro-level features. This saw runs on a 15-amp corded motor, delivering strong and consistent cutting power at around 4,800 to 5,000 revolutions per minute for fast performance. It features a 10-inch sliding blade system, allowing you to cut wider boards like 2x12 lumber with ease. The dual bevel function lets you tilt the blade both left and right, making complex angled cuts much faster without flipping the workpiece. A linear slide rail system with ball bearings ensures smooth, controlled movement for long crosscuts and better accuracy. You also get a shadow LED cut line system, which gives a sharper and more visible cutting guide than traditional lasers. Plus, it includes multiple angle detents and positive stops, helping you repeat cuts quickly and accurately for framing and trim work. Pros: strong cutting power for the price. Dual bevel adds more flexibility. Smooth sliding system for wide cuts. Very accurate shadow cut line system. Great value for DIY and semi-pro users. Cons: dust collection is not very strong. A bit heavy for frequent transport. Not as refined as premium contractor grade saws. This saw is perfect for DIY builders, home renovators, and beginner to intermediate carpenters. If you're doing flooring, framing, furniture, or trim work and want pro features without a high price tag, this is a strong pick. At around $249, the SKIL MS6305-00 offers excellent value. You're basically getting dual bevel plus sliding compound plus strong motor features usually found in more expensive saws. For its price range, it's considered one of the best bang-for-the-buck miter saws in its class. Number 2. Meet the DeWalt DCS361B20V Max 7 to a 1/4-inch cordless miter saw, a compact, battery-powered sliding miter saw designed for portable and precise cutting anywhere. This saw runs on the DeWalt 20V Max battery system, giving you full cordless freedom on job sites. It features a 7 to a 1/4-inch sliding blade system, allowing smooth crosscuts in wood and light metal materials. The sliding compound design increases cutting capacity, making it more flexible than non-sliding compact saws. An integrated cutline system helps you line up cuts accurately without constant adjustments. You also get positive miter stops and bevel adjustment, which help you quickly set common angles for framing and trim work. Despite being cordless, it still delivers strong cutting performance for most DIY and light contractor jobs, and stays highly portable for tight spaces or mobile work. Pros: fully cordless and highly portable. Smooth sliding mechanism for wider cuts. Accurate cutline system for precision. Works with existing 20V Max batteries. Cons: smaller 7/1/4 blade limits heavy-duty capacity. Not ideal for large framing lumber. Battery life depends on usage and amp-hour size. This saw is best for DIY users, carpenters on the move, and trim workers. If you need a lightweight, portable saw for quick cuts, furniture, molding, or small job sites, this is a very practical choice. At around $347.87, the DeWalt DCS361B is priced higher than corded entry models, but you're paying for cordless convenience plus portability plus sliding precision. If you already own DeWalt 20V batteries, it becomes much better value since it's a tool-only version. Number 1. Meet the Evolutioner 8MTS81/4 Convertible Miter/Table Saw, a smart 2-in-1 tool that works as both a miter saw and a table saw, built for compact workshops and multi-material cutting. This saw runs on a powerful 12-amp corded motor, giving strong performance for wood, plastic, and even light metal cutting. Its biggest highlight is the 2-in-1 convertible design, meaning you can switch between miter saw mode and table saw mode in one compact machine. The 8/1/4-inch TCT multi-material blade can cut wood, laminates, plastics, and even mild steel without changing blades. You also get a 45 degrees miter range and up to 47 degrees bevel cuts, making angled and compound cuts very flexible. A dual-locking rip fence plus cast aluminum table helps keep cuts straight and accurate in table mode. Plus, its compact and lightweight design, 28 lbs, makes it easy to carry and store for small workshops or job sites. Pros: 2-in-1 miter plus table saw design saves space. Cuts multiple materials, wood, plastic, light metal. Compact and portable. Includes multi-material blade. Good accuracy for DIY and light trade work. Cons: not as powerful as full-size dedicated saws. Smaller blade limits deep cutting capacity. Switching modes takes setup time. Not ideal for heavy industrial use. This saw is perfect for DIY builders, small workshop users, and mobile craftsmen. If you work in a tight space and need one tool for cutting wood, trims, and occasional metal work, this is a very practical choice. At around $275, the Evolutioner 8MTS offers strong value because you're basically getting two machines in one, a miter saw plus table saw. For users with limited space, it's a smart budget-friendly multi-tool solution. If you found this helpful, check the link in the description for the best deal. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tool reviews like this.